Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Wendy.
And today we're in the kitchen, obviously, and we're going to be making Oreo truffles, which are delicious and also real easy.
They're peppermint Oreo truffles.
That's right, they are.
Okay.
So the first thing you need 32 Oreo cookies, and every recipe will tell you to put them in a food processor, but guess what? Two things.
What's the time for that?
I don't have a food processor.
You don't?
No. And I also don't want a clean one. So here's what we do. How
Are
many
there
cookies?
32 cookies in there? No.
There's 21.
Okay. Just a regular package of Oreos come with 32.
Hold on.
Why don't you put some JoJo's in this one?
That's what I'm looking for.
Oh, that's it. It's a JoJo Oreo mashup. Have you been eating this?
Nope. Have I tried a single one since our taste test? Nope. Just the two little saplings are missing. I ate the other full package of the peppermint bark Oreos.
That's funny. That is really funny.
All right. So we need 11 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's crazy. 11 and exactly in that row. So here's what I do. I pop them in a Ziploc bag, and then I take all of my aggression out. And you know what makes a great Oreo smasher? The backside of an ice cream scoop.
You don't have a meat tenderizer?
Tell me how many times in your lives you've tenderized meat. Ever?
Yeah, I have one at home.
Do you use it though?
Occasionally.
Don't hit me.
I'm not. How crushed does it have to be?
It should be pretty far. Ah! So you add this to 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. You could just leave it sitting on the counter, but I popped it in the microwave on the soften mode to speed things along.
There's such a thing as a soften mode on your...
My microwave has a melt/soft.
Really?
Yeah,
Cool.
look at that.
Okay. I'm gonna laugh if it gets on your floor.
So you want it to kind of all come together, kind of like a cookie dough consistency, because you're gonna want to scoop it and roll it into balls next. So I use a cookie scoop. This is the small size cookie scoop. They make multiple sizes, but it's kind of like 1 inch.
Yeah.
And you scoop.
It's a melon baller, isn't it?
No, this is officially a cookie scoop.
Oh.
You scoop and you roll.
Uh-oh, is that too big?
It doesn't matter because you're not baking them, so if they're not all identical, it doesn't matter. You just kind of helps you get a semi-uniform size.
How many are these gonna make?
Whoa. I don't know. Once they're all rolled, you just want to pop them in the freezer for 10 minutes to firm up before you dip them in melted chocolate. So this is a good time to clean up your kitchen. You can freeze them for longer than that, but a minimum of 10 minutes is great.
Okay.
All right, so these are out of the freezer. They are firm, and then they are ready to go for a bath. And we melted chocolate in the microwave. You know, if you do it in the microwave, just do it slowly, 30-second intervals.
I did that on another one.
I know you do.
Okay.
I know you did.
I think I burnt the other one.
No, it was fine. Anyway, you don't want to,
You don't want to scorch it.
you don't want to scorch your chocolate, so just do it slowly. And what you're going to want to do, I added a little bit of vegetable oil to make it a little bit smoother. And so you're just going to drop these in. I'm just going to toss a couple in.
Okay.
And you just quickly move them around, because now that you're dropping in a cold product, okay, we need to put it down, into the hot chocolate, the chocolate will start, to cool.
I like your method of the forks. That makes me nervous.
So I use forks, toss them around, lift them out with the forks, and that just helps some of the chocolate to start dripping through. And so we have some crushed up candy canes that I'm just going to sprinkle on top of these while the chocolate is...
Oh, they're going to be real minty.
Really minty. I thought about putting
Cute.
peppermint extract into the melted chocolate.
Too much.
But I think it might be overpowering. All right, so I just put these on a tinfoil lined plate because I'm out of parchment paper, but parchment paper or wax paper would work fine for these. Look how pretty they are. Just pop them in the refrigerator for an hour to get them to completely come together, and then just eat them all yourself, share them with a neighbor. Enjoy. So thank you for watching this installment of our Countdown to Christmas. You can find the entire playlist of our Countdown to Christmas videos down below, and we will see you in another video very soon. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.